Many of the alerts in Adalysis are based upon a filtering criteria. So we can see any one of the filters and click on the settings icon and adjust what the criteria is. So if we were to adjust this and we say we also want to know if our cost per conversion is less than 25, we can save this and overwrite the default criteria. And this new data is what's used for the alert. Now, when we save it, we can save it to this account or we can save it to multiple accounts at once. Now, when you update a filter, it'll also be reflected under your settings where you can see all your filters at once and adjust those. So it doesn't matter if you adjust the filters under settings, under your alerts, or even within your account. So if we go into our account, we also have filters we can work with. If we've overwritten the default, we'll see a person icon. Then we can also build and save filters we can easily jump to in the future. So if you wanted to know where we have expensive conversions, we could say we have active keywords, our cost per conversion is more than 25, and we have at least 3 conversions. And then we can apply this, and it would only affect the data on the screen right then. If we save it, we can name what the filter is. In addition, we could also get alerts. So that way we can see them on our alert dashboard if this criteria is met by any keywords. And then we can also save to this account or multiples. Now, once we save it, we can go to our filters. And here we'll see our expensive CPAs that we just built. We can always change the settings. We could remove the alert if we wanted to. We could save it. If we change the criteria, we could save the updated filter. And if we no longer want it, then we can also just remove it. And again, we could bulk remove it from that account or multiples at once. So by using a combination of the pre-built filters, your custom filters, and then editing the filters based upon your needs, you can ensure you're always working with actionable data or can easily jump to data within your account to help you accomplish your tasks.